Okay, so this is going to be external JavaScript. HTML separate and JavaScript is separate. Now under this HTML file, start from HTML, follow the create section, follow the script part, come inside, follow the body, right inside H1, JavaScript, class object, example. JavaScript class object example. Next, come down. Class object example. Next, come down. Create one table. That table will be aligned as a left. Aligned as a left. Cell padding equal to 10. Write it here. TH. Enter name. Full name. Create a TD. Input type equal to text. ID equal to fname. Mobile number ID equal to mobile ID equal to mobile. Next, after that, not address, put something else, a small input field. You can create something, city name. Input type equal to text only, keep ID equal to city. So this data is going to come in the left side of the screen. Keep one more tr, keep one more th, all is span equal to button, save user. We'll complete that class first, JavaScript file. Then we'll come here. Here you are going to call script src equal to class3.js. Okay, hope ready. Now create one more table. This table you can give align center, no problem. And then for this give the width is not required in this default width. Create one more table after this table. Create one more table after this. In that table you can write h1 available users. Line equal to center. Now write for this table also line equal to center and width equal to 70%. Follow the T head. T head will have a TR. TR we will add a TH. Serial number, full name, serial number, full name, mobile number, city name, then after that action. BG color equal to orange. Okay, hope ready. Now open the T body, close the T body. T body open and T body close. For T body, you will write here ID equal to user list. User list. ID equal to user list. Run this file. something like this. Form is on the top, whichever the value will enter, click on save, it will come in the down. This heading and all you can put in the center for better look and feel. Okay, align equal to center. Now next work is a script part. In a script, we will be doing something. Go here, onload, call here, object 2 dot get user, and on button click, on click equal to obj2 dot save user. obj2 obj2 dot save user. Object of the class. Under the class 3, we are going to write a class. In that class, for that class, we have to create the object, and that object name will be obj. Okay, I hope HTML is completed. Come to the JS file. In JS file, class3.js. In class3.js, you have to create a class. Under the class, there will be two functions, get user and save user. So go here, write a class, my user. After my user class, we will create the obj2 equal to new my user. We will write a function get user, small or capital. Get user, save user. Save user. Keep alert here and check on load. User is loading. User will save. Getting alert? On load, user is loading. Here on button click, user will save. Yeah. So now you have to write the constructor here. Constructor, under the constructor, create this dot user equal to a square bracket. Inside you can follow name colon Alex, comma, what we have, name mobile city. City, now in get user, create a variable called data equal to empty. This dot user dot map info of the user and index of the user. Next, after that, data equal to data plus, open the tr, close the tr, write the td, data plus, open the td, close the td, info dot, first write here call index, info dot name, info dot mobile, info dot city, city. Next, after that, document dot get element by id, which id, user list dot inner html equal to that data variable. One user we have added. So once we refresh the page, we should get one user here. One user we should get here. Check now your data is coming or not. That is how many users? User. We can increase little cell padding there in HTML. The table you have given here, inside the table apply the cell padding, some 10, 15. Spacious it will be. And then the TR what we are generating here, for that also you give a line equal to center in single quote. Line equal to center in single quote. Line equal to center in single quote. Then it should look like this. Come there. Okay. Next, after that, we need to save the user. We have added one data for sample purpose. It is coming. Now save user. How it will work? Save user. We have to go to the. We have to go to the this page. Which page? Take the value of text box. Name equal to document dot get element by ID. Which ID? Fname. To the text box we are given fname dot value. Mobile dot value. City dot value. Name mobile city. Next, after that, create a new array. New user equal to name colon name. Before colon what is the name you have written? It is the array object. Then mobile colon mobile. Then city colon city. Before colon is your name of element inside the array. You can see here name mobile city you have written. That is here. After colon what you have? It's a variable. Let me write here full name. Full name. Mobile number. My city or maybe city name. Similar way you modify below. Full name will go here. Mobile number will come here. City name will go here. Full name, mobile number, city name. Right. Next, after this particular new user, you are going to concat with the existing user. This dot user dot concat. this dot user equal to concat. Inside we can pass new user. Next, after that, again you can call this dot get user for the listing purpose. This dot get user. This dot get user. Seventh line. This is the last line. So on the click on save button, it will take the value of text boxes. It will create a new array, and this array will be pushed inside the existing array. This dot user equal to this dot user dot concat new user. There will pass call, and after that, this is calling this function for what purpose? To reload the list. To reload the list. To reload the list. To reload the list. Which one?
Like essentially you know that object to equal to user like that.
This is here you are not printing in this page. These functions you are calling in HTML. So only object creation is required. Other things is not required here. On button click, are you calling save user? On button click, you are calling get onload. You are calling get user. Now onload. Why you need again? If it is only JavaScript, then we call here. Now it is not only JavaScript. Okay, one user is coming here, default user. So write this one, save part first. Multi-dimensional array you have made like this. Let's add the new user, Raju, mobile number, city, Raju will add here, Rajkumar, Mumbai, Rajkumar, can see data is coming. Save and list. Save function I will share in the chat. If any error, you can use that.
In mobile,
Anybody even your
what
is
is the showing that is 28? So
what is the
that
28?
is like
This dot user equal to this dot user dot contact. You have written contact. Ready? Coming.
showing that
Design. What you have written? Concat. Spelling is wrong. Concat. So and concat. Don't give error. Okay, so hope working. Yes, no, let me know. Are you able to save the user and list it this way? We need to clear it also. So come here while clearing simple line document dot get element by id dot value equal to empty document dot get element by id dot value equal to empty document dot get element by id dot value equal to empty. I will share both the file. Not working, you can replace that. HTML and JS both. Let me send you the code only. JavaScript code is a small code. This is the JS file code. Oh, it's become bigger, it's not passing. Passing but little less, not all the code. Last line is not able to go. Let me do something. Complete JavaScript code event. Replace both the lines. Those all are JavaScript code. You can replace all. Right, will be replaced. Now let me give you the code of HTML. Complete code of HTML also sent. Check now, it's worked or not. Now we will delete the data from the table. So let's come here. This data is coming. Clear should work now. If you add any user here, clear is happening. There should be delete button. That is part of a script file only. Go here, add one more button. On button. Delete. Close the button. On click. On click equal to call a function called del user. Del user you cannot call directly. You have to write this dot del user. This dot del user, and inside that this dot del user, and inside that in double quote you have to pass index value, whichever you are trying to delete. Ready? You have to write a function delete. This TD I will share in your chat. Okay, ready? Now before save function, write a function called delete user, del user. Del user. Inside del user, we need to pass the index, and after that, we can use here function this dot user dot splice user dot splice splice. Inside we can pass the index comma 1, and after that we can call this dot get user. So this will delete a particular user from the array JavaScript code only, and after that your list will be reload again. After deleting, it will be saving. Saving should happen, deleting should happen.
So actually, they're telling like
Del user,
where
where is variable?
daily users.
Where is the del user? Del user is a function name. We are calling this dot del user. Means the function of current class, or instead of del you can call here obj2 also. Obj2 will also work. Obj2 dot del user. Obj2 is the name of object of current class. Then inside the current class there is a function called del user. Under del user, if you pass the index, del user will see in user array on particular index whichever the element will available, that will remove, and again it will reload the list. Remove user from given index. This is for what purpose? Reload the list. Delete one coming. 333 coming. I deleted 2. 2 is gone. Work. You have to pass here properly this one. obj2.dailyuser. Don't put extra double quote single quote. obj2.dailyuser should be under the single quote closing here in the last, and while passing the index, put the double quote. Which code? This code. One file I can send you. Are you in laptop? Using GeoMap? But error you can find no error. This is like same like it's a class function what we have written. Now it is inside a class. So there, wherever you are calling the function, you are following either this or obj. Save and delete now. It should get deleted easily. Hmm? Get user.
After the get user, that del user is in that place of user.
This is one separate function.
Yes, sir. Then separate.
This is also separate function. This is also separate function.
When it was giving last, it was showing errors.
Which it you have given last?
That del user.
Where you are given out of the class.
No, sir.
See, I cut from there and then I pasted here. Okay, here only. You confuse yourself here. No need to do more R&D. Okay, so hope working. Now after that, So next after that, we have to go for the next chapter called jQuery. One more topic is pending, that is called local storage and session storage. So next class, when will be? Monday will be. We will see the local storage and session storage, and then we'll go for the jQuery. After finishing the jQuery, we will come back to the React. Or if anyone want to go for Angular, they can go for Angular. Okay, tomorrow class, Bootstrap class, we have 2:30. Last week, what time we have logged in? 2:30. 2 o'clock I'm logged in. Till 2 o'clock I have class continuous. The morning 6 o'clock continuous till 2 o'clock I have class. After that, system needs some break, else Saturday, Sunday same schedule, it will hang anytime. Not hang, crash anytime. Tomorrow will be 2:30, day after tomorrow also 2:30. Don't miss that. Bootstrap main components we will be learning will be helpful for you.
Sir, inheritance and form validation with the class object you told. You said you will tell.
Same form validation you can write. No, yesterday you have written
Yes.
same code, copy paste in this example.
Okay. And the inheritance.
Let's add in this. Why you will say something pending. Come to the same file. Write one class on the top. Class equal to you can write here for what we have written, city we have written. Class equal to COUNTRY country. Come inside. Follow a constructor. Inside the constructor, write the list of country. This dot my country. This dot my country will do array. Keep in that Bangalore, not Bangalore, India. Keep here for scan. Here for Nepal. Okay, so this data belong to where? Country. Now after that, let's come down here. Write a function called get country. Inside the get country, pass the position, maybe index, and it will return the this dot country of index. So suppose if we pass 3 or maybe pass 1, what will come? 1 will come as a Pakistan, 0 will come as a India, and 2 will come as a Nepal. So this becomes a separate class. It has some feature, it is holding only country. Now you are creating a page where user will be from either of the country. So what we will do, this class will do extends from where? Country. So that meaning my user class will fetch all the property of country. My user will fetch all the property of country. So my user can fetch the my country also, and my user can fetch which one? Get country also. Both is possible. Now we will go here and we have used here extends keyword. So whenever you do extends keyword, you have to use here call as a which one? Super. Now what is the use of the super? It call parent class constructor. It call the parent class constructor. Okay, it call the parent class constructor. Now after that, it call the parent class constructor. After calling the parent class constructor, right? Suppose this user belong to where? Bangalore. Belong to Bangalore. Right, let it be. Now, what we will do is, while adding a city we have added here. So let's add till here. Country, let me say the country class. Country class. Okay, inheritance meaning is what? You are going to inherit the feature of one class to other class, where we use the property called extends. In the React also you will be using the extends property. Now using extends, you are going to inherit the feature from country and give to my user. Now while listing the user, you can write here one more column, and there you can call this dot get country, and in that you pass any index, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3 or dynamic static anyhow. However you want, you can pass here. Okay. Now what will happen? Get country we are passing as a 0. What will it return? From my country it will return as a India. That India will come and it will get printed here as a India. So inside the HTML, you have to add one more column called country. You have to add one more column called country. Extend, what is that extends? It is called inheritance, where you are going to inherit the feature from one class and give to other class. Written. Let us check now. Country should come here. Error. What is the error now? This dot get country. We go back to this because country is the member variable. You cannot call directly. You have to call this dot country. This dot country we need to call. This dot get country is coming here. We can add one more column in HTML part. After city, you can add one more call country. COUNTRY country. Country. Country area. So there is many complete class component. In React, complete class component is based on inheritance only. There we have to write the class and we have to extend other class. So there we'll get more idea. What idea? There is nothing more idea in that. You have to create a parent class. In that you have to add function and variable. That class you have to call here using which keyword? Extends keyword. And then call the constructor and the function of the parent class, variable of the parent class. Easily you can access here. That is called as inheritance. Okay. Written one place and accessing other place. Check now. Hope you added the which one? Country column. Check now. Data will come here. If you add one more user also, for him also country will come, because every time we are calling the similar index 1 0. So it says okay. Ready? Working for everyone. Okay. There is one very good website, javascript.info, or you can follow the Mozilla Developer Guide. The website of the MD, what is that? MDNIS, uh, Mozilla Developer Guide. You can search in Google Mozilla Developer Guide, JavaScript of Mozilla Developer Guide. Go there. There is a class object is written. Inheritance is also there. Many are there. You can have a look on that. Mozilla Developer Guide. You can search in Google Mozilla Developer Guide. It has lot of theories are there related how we have implemented. It will be helpful.